Data di nascita 30 maggio 1974. Luogo di nascita Brooklyn, New York. Indirizzo Bologna. Capisci? Sì, ti capisco che ho il cancro. They eluded me for months. The words that rhyme that I could not find because one was stuck under and the other floated above, coexisting in time. Dancer. Cancer. I dance around the edges of pain and I carve creative space through heavy dread that keeps breath, body down like lead. But I engage the lift, the holy gift that is the body of a dancer. And it jolts me back into awareness that it is not my fate for the cancer weight to overcome me. Because I was trained to align my spine toward life. There is no trap for dance, no container, no diagnosis to restrain her. My body memory stored the answer to the riddle of dancer cancer, way before I knew how to solve it.